Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Simone Styles. Before we get into this video, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what other types of videos you'd like to see on this channel. But without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get into this video. So I decided to come on here, no makeup, just very natural, because I've really been feeling myself lately. I did some chunky Havana Marley twist in my hair and I've just been feeling like an African princess. Just very natural. My skin's been glowing. It's been clearing up. It's popping, okay? So if you guys would like a skin routine video, please let me know down below in the comments. But the reason that we're all here is because I was sent a complimentary gift from Influenster. Influenster is an app that you can download on your phone and you can do reviews on any type of product you can think of. Anything ranging from food to household items to beauty items. And these companies will send you things for free. They will send you things for you to review them so that other people that may want to purchase them can have a good idea of whether or not they should buy it or not. This is not a sponsored video. I was sent the L'Oreal Paris Elvive Total Repair 5 Protein Recharge Leave-In Conditioner. And it looks just like this. It is in a very sleek bottle. You get a lot of product, okay? I'm gonna also insert a clip of when I actually use the product.
Today is wash day, and I always dread wash day. I actually just finished washing my hair. I conditioned and shampooed my hair, and then I blow dried my hair. But before I blow dried my hair, I went ahead and I put this on my hair, and when I tell you my hair drunk it up, it's also a heat protectant up to 450 degrees. Such an amazing product. It smells delectable. It made my hair feel smooth and silky, and my hair has never felt this soft after being blow dried. I kid you not. Usually my hair feels a bit dry and stiff, even with me putting heat protectant in it, or oil or whatever. But I think a cream-based leave-in heat protectant is what I needed, and this also is a leave-in conditioner as well, and it fights split ends, weak hair, rough hair, dull hair, and dehydrated hair. Those are the 5 things that culminate in you having bad hair and your hair breaking off and just having damaged hair, period. It also has almond and some protein in this, so this is a great product to use on your hair.
After I blow dried my hair, I actually put my hair into these Havana twists. I don't really straighten my hair or anything, but this is a great product, and I did use this to help give my hair some softness when I was twisting my hair. My hair has never felt this soft, you guys. Using a leave-in conditioner that is also a heat protectant. My hair's never felt soft. I was able to run my fingers through my hair, and I have type 4 hair. I have 4C hair, the kinkiest coily hair you could possibly ever get. And it is hard to blow dry my hair sometimes. But when I put this product in, instantly my hair was like butter. I was able to run my fingers through it and get the brush through it, go ahead and blow dry it. Now, this product claims to and help prevent the 5 signs of damage every day, which are split ends, weak, rough, dull, and dehydrated hair. And I think that that is so important because with me having type 4 hair, as well as low porosity hair, my hair does not retain a lot of moisture no matter what I do unless there is some type of heat involved. We'll say that this product definitely did get into my cuticles. I went ahead and I let it sit on there for a little bit and just let it get on my scalp, and I let the natural heat from my scalp allow this to warm up. Also says you'll have 97% less breakage. I definitely have gone through that stage of my natural journey where my hair was breaking off, it was becoming brittle, and it was damaged because of me over processing my hair, overheating it. I also had bleached my hair at one point in time, so my hair was blonde. I was doing a lot of things to my hair that I shouldn't have done, and I totally regret it now more so than ever. That was probably the worst thing that I've ever done to damage my hair, was actually bleach it. And I can't believe that I actually did that to my hair. I thought it was so cute, but it really damaged my hair, and I eventually wound up cutting all of the bleached hair out of my head and essentially started over. So I started over. I cut all of the damaged ends out of my hair in December. So it's been a full year since I did that, and I can definitely say I've seen the progress. This product right here is definitely something that I will keep in my hair arsenal, because I can tell you this is a product that I'm definitely going to be touching every time I want to condition my hair. This is a leave-in conditioner, which is awesome because you always need something in your hair that's going to keep your hair conditioned. Leaving regular conditioner in your hair is not going to do. A lot of people I know a lot of people that do that, and I don't think that that's that great to do that to your hair. But to each his own. But I suggest using an honest to God leave-in conditioner because it's really going to penetrate your hair follicles. My hair definitely was very coarse prior to using this product. I will say that my hair was coarse. It was dry. It didn't feel the best. It wasn't like a Brillo pad per se or a hard sponge, but it definitely lacked softness, and this product definitely brought the softness back to my hair. I will say in one use, I definitely could tell the difference between when I have blow dried my hair other times and I've had a product in my hair, a heat protectant, like an oil-based heat protectant, versus me using a cream leave-in conditioner / heat protectant. I definitely can see the difference, and I loved the results. I don't straighten my hair. I am gonna start straightening my hair very soon. I'm going to the salon, and then probably after a few times of doing that, I'll just be able to straighten my own hair. But this is definitely something that I will use as a heat protectant because it seems to really just do the job, and it does a very great job. I definitely saw results instantly. It wasn't even like, I was very surprised. I was very shocked, and I wish I would have recorded my initial reaction when I put it on and showed you guys as I was putting it on. But I was like, are you serious? Like, is this my hair? I was in total shock. But you guys should definitely go ahead and check this out. L'Oreal Paris's Elvive Total Repair 5 Protein Recharge. This is definitely a must-have product for my beauty community lovers, hair lovers, anyone that just wants to revive their hair. This is definitely the product for you. Also, don't forget to check out Influenster. I'll leave a link down below so that you guys can check out Influenster for yourself. You guys can do beauty reviews, and let me know if you've done a beauty review, and I will go ahead and check it out. Please don't forget to follow me on all my social media. I'll have those up here on the screen. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, give this video a huge thumbs up, and also click that little bell besides the subscribe button. That way you'll be notified every time I make a video. Love you guys. Peace.